crescent spiral staircase tonight. The trio descends the spiral staircase revealed in episode 30. The walls are carved with glowing runes that pulse as they pass. Alina! Yeah, Jaga! Zinda Lagdi High! Or AY! AAN, those who forget the pot, awaken it. A gust of wind blows upward, carrying faint whispers into memory hall. Moments later, they enter a vast circular chamber. Floating in the air are glowing memory orbs. Each orb shows a vision from the past. Zayan Deka, yeah, Towo, Helog Hain, Joai of Eternity, Kayo Chupain, Whale. They'll watch a vision. An ancient council arguing about hiding the relic. One warns of a dark seeker who will return. Sudden interruption. The shadow arrives. The orbs flicker. A shadowy figure appears in the center of the room, cloaked, faceless, and surrounded by black mist. Shadow, you are not ready. The chamber begins to collapse. The trio runs, dodging falling stones and flickering illusions. Into escape tunnel breathless. They escape into a narrow tunnel. Behind them, the memory hall seals shut. Alina, W-O-H, ... Kia, Rayaan, Ana warning, and a tap. Zayan, Yamila Ek, O Pizlikaneska, Matlab Kiaha. The artifact glows faintly shaped like a crescent moon with a missing shard. It tunnel, and a new door. They reach a new stone door. This one has no lock, only a hollow where the crescent piece fits. Zayan, let's find out what they didn't want us to remember. To be continued.